Hi, this is AnalyzerAds from AnalyzerAds.com. In this video, I will explain how to create a campaign and have it up and running in just 5 minutes. So let's start creating a campaign. In order to start building a campaign, all you have to do is click on the sign up. The campaign builder panel is opened. Now, there are 3 simple steps in the creation of a campaign, so let's go over them. Let's click on the Start Wizard link. As you can see, the first step is a simple sign up into AnalyzerAds system. Okay, so I'll fill in my details. Jacob Zoaretz. Email. Okay, so I'll fill in my email. The system needs your email in order to send you a confirmation. You can read our privacy policy here, where we obligate not to use your email address other than contact you with your campaign details. Password. Write a password of your choice. You'll need this password later in order to enter your campaign management panel. So I'll use 12345 and I'll retype 12345. That's the end of step 1. Let's click on next step. Campaign name. Give a unique name to your campaign so you could identify it later. Let's say I have an online store, so I'll put in my first campaign. As you can see, the ads container is empty. So let's add a few ads. Click on the Add New Ad and the Ad Wizard Creator is opened. So let's start creating our first ad. The first box is the targeting phrase. Setting this phrase right is the most important value for this ad to perform and send quality visitors to your website. Actually, when setting the targeting phrase, you have to think, what will be the most likely phrase that my visitors will write? I would like to share with you how do I decide on the right targeting phrase. What I do is to open the Twitter search page and look for phrases matching my needs. Let's say my online store is selling sunglasses. What phrases will be the most likely that my customers will use? I'll try broke my sunglasses. The idea behind this phrase is very simple. I want to target all the users that have a broken sunglasses and probably will need to buy a new one. Let's hit the search button and instantly Twitter search returns with a list of messages that contain the phrase broke my sunglasses. As we can see, this phrase will work great because now I can see all the people that have a broken sunglasses. As you can see here, I just broke another pair of my sunglasses. My favorite sunglasses just broke my sunglasses. Now I have decided on my targeting phrase. Let's go back to the wizard and put in broke my sunglasses as a targeting phrase. Okay, I have a targeting phrase. Now I have to think, what will be the response message? The response message is the message that will be sent to the user who wrote the phrase broke my sunglasses. So be creative here. The more creative you will be, the more likely that the user will visit your website. There is an example for you on how to write your response. So let's add the example and modify it to our needs. There are 2 tags that have to be included in the response message. The first one is the username tag. This tag will be replaced automatically by the system with the username of the user that is getting the message. The second tag is the URL. This will be replaced automatically with your landing page. Let's modify the response message to make it more appealing to the user getting the message, and to place the response message in the right context. Let's leave the hi username and replace the check out my website with hi username. Notice that your sunglasses have been broken. Get a new pair here. Pay attention that your response message will not exceed the 100 character limit here. Now we have a targeting phrase and a response message. It's time to add our landing page. The landing page is the page on your site where you want the visitors to visit. It can be your home page, your mini site, or any other page on your website. Be sure to send the visitors to the relevant page on your site. In our example, if my online store is selling all kinds of glasses and there is a special section for sunglasses, I'll send the visitors to the specific section on my website that is relevant for sunglasses. So, for the sake of this example, since I don't really have an online store, I'll put in glasses.com sunglasses.html. The last value in the ad is the Twitter account and password. I'll type in sunglasses store and the password is 12345. Since the response message is sent from your account, you will have to provide a valid Twitter account and password. You can use your own account or open a new one. We recommend to open a new account that will be dedicated to your marketing efforts. Congratulations! Now we have created our first ad. This is all the system needs in order to run your ad. If you want, you can further target your visitors by clicking on the Set Advanced Targeting options. As you can see, there are two more optional targeting options for your ad: location preference and bio description preferences. The location preference lets you target visitors located in specific countries. Let's say that our online store is selling only to customers located in the UK. So let's open our location list and search for London time zone. Furthermore, you can add more countries. You can add Moscow. You can add as many countries as you want. The next preference is the bio description preference. The bio description preference lets you target users who wrote specific words in their bio description. You can choose from a list here, or you can add your own word. Like, let's add fashion designer to the list. You can add as many words as you like. Now, our ad is very targeted. Only fashion designers from London or Moscow who have a broken sunglasses will see your ad. Please pay attention that although this will result in a very targeted ad, it will significantly decrease the number of messages that will be sent from this ad. In order to return to the main wizard panel, let's click on the Return to Ad Creation. Now all we have to do is to click on the Save and Add to Campaign. That's it. We now can see that our ads container has one ad. We can add more ads from the Add New Ad, or if we don't want to enter all the fields again, we can use the duplicate ad to create the same ad and edit to match our needs. Duplicating is very easy. Just click on the duplicate and instantly we get another ad. Let's edit this ad to make a new ad. I'll change the targeting phrase to need new sunglasses and change the response to need new sunglasses. And that's it. All we have to do now is to save. Don't worry about adding all your ads now. You can add more later from your management panel. Let's click on the next step. In this step, all you have to do is to select your payment type. Just select the campaign type that you prefer and click on the Buy Now button. This will direct you to paypal.com, where you could safely complete your payment. That's the end of this video. It takes only a few minutes to set up a running campaign. So start your campaign now.